was at the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing into the night sky when you took my hand.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. We got up earlier than normal, about 8, so not too much earlier than normal, but earlier than the past couple days, and just quickly took showers and got dressed. Justin's taking a shower now, and Jackson and I are just gonna go and try and look out the window across the hallway to check out the animals before we head over to Magic Kingdom. We can see some animals. I don't know what that one's called. Elon, maybe? They're just having their breakfast. Maybe some others will walk by too. Also, I didn't show you the mug I bought at the Grand Floridian. I like to buy a tea mug when I'm here and a box of Twinings tea, and I have tea usually in the evenings, every evening, and then sometimes in the mornings, like this morning when I had a couple extra minutes. It's so cute, I love it. There aren't many animals out here right now, but there are cattle. Just laying around. There's some ostrich over there. I thought we were gonna see some giraffes this morning. We saw them last night, but it was dark, so we can only see them really through the night vision goggles. Justin should be ready in just a couple minutes, but we looked up the minivan service and it's gonna take like 40 minutes for them to get here, which kind of stinks. So I think we're just gonna take the bus, even though it's not our favorite. We'll make do. And then usually in the morning the buses run pretty fast, so hopefully we'll get there in time. We made it. The bus wasn't really that bad at all, so that was good. We didn't hardly have to wait for it. Jackson's got his bubble wand going. We exchanged the old one that didn't work for a new one at Mouse Gear yesterday. Pro tip, these things don't work very well after the first use, but you can keep exchanging them and getting a new one. I know. Here's some of the ladies of Main Street. They're so beautiful. Hello. Good morning. To our town, here on Main Street, our city, so pretty. Oh, the fire marshal is there too. I met him once. So we're headed over to be our guest for breakfast, and like I mentioned yesterday, we actually got this reservation just last night during dinner time. We were thinking about how we needed to eat something if we were going to Magic Kingdom in the morning, and we just checked what breakfast was available, and there was a 10 a.m. be our guest reservation, which must have just been let go by someone else, so we got really lucky. And I don't remember the last time I've had breakfast here, or if I ever have. I may not have had breakfast here ever, so we're excited to do that and then get on with our fast passes and probably be out of here before lunchtime, because it is quite a busy day, and
might be a little pool day.
Might be a pool day, yeah. The most beautiful sight in the world.
Let's turn that off while we
It's gonna get a lot busy here, so I thought I'd just take one look. Whoops, one nice backlit look at my favorite view of the castle. And Fantasyland. It's not that busy yet, but it's gonna be a busy day. And I lost my fam. Oh, there they are. Here's Beast's Castle. We get to go inside.
There it is.
Look how cute my boys look in their ride specific shirts today. Justin's got Pirates of the Caribbean and Jackson's got Haunted Mansion, which is the last time he's gonna be able to wear this because it's pretty small.
He looks so muscly.
He does look like a muscle boy. Haunted Mansion, that's right. Do 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 do. So you choose an entree. Sorry, I'm shaky. And a beverage. And those are the kids' options. Oh! Bonjour!
You can buy whatever you like. You can sit wherever you like.
Okay.
There's a beverage island in each one of our rooms.
Okay.
We got fountain, juice, coffee, whatever you like. You're gonna love it.
Thank you so much.
Au revoir. Bon appétit.
How cute is he? Yeah, let's try. It doesn't seem overly busy in here. When we came for lunch, I was hard pressed to find a table the one time we came for lunch, but there are tons of open tables. We're gonna see if there's any open tables in the West Wing. It's so fun here. I love it. Okay, sorry it's dark in here, but we wanted to eat in the West Wing. I get the croque madame with a well-cooked egg. They also bring you a plate of pastries, which look yummy.
And they also give you a chocolate milk sneak with.
You got a sneak chocolate milk? Mom and Dad said you could have that after your breakfast. Jackson got scrambled eggs and bacon and fruit. And Daddy got, what is this? Open-faced egg sandwich. Even though it's not even open-faced. But it all smells really good and it's really hot, so we're gonna eat. I give you one last look around the West Wing before we leave, because I've never been here when it's been this uncrowded. Do you hear that kid doing a beast impression? I love it. Oh, it doesn't pick up its glory on the camera. Such a cool spot. I love how they're playing Human again. Sing Be Our Guest.
No.
Be our guest, be our guest. Well, that was such a treat. I'm so happy we got to eat breakfast there. I feel so refreshed and ready to brave the crowds here at Magic Kingdom for a few hours, and now we're gonna do some of our fast passes.
We ate in Dada.
We ate in Beast's room.
He said, wow, the castle looks so little from up here. I can't believe we were all the way up there. You don't have to tell me. Just close your eyes and wish for it.
Hold on, seconds. Here we go.
Here we go.
Mommy, put it down. Put it down. We're about to zoom off.
Okay, we're zooming off.
I was at the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing into the night sky. When you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. Love talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy.
Time for Jackson's favorite ride, Dumbo! I never noticed that little sign, how sweet. And also I love these little murals painted on the side of Dumbo depicting the movie. Here we go! Stopped into Big Top Gifts because they always have interesting things in here, and they have this Alice Funko in the Mad Tea Party. We have a friend, our friends collect these, so we're asking them if they want us to pick it up for them, but I don't want it myself because it's $50 and I'm not a collector of them. Also, I always like to look at the treats here because they have such fun and interesting ones. I'm not hungry in the least, but look at these special cupcakes.
We've been in 70s and 40s, 60s.
Looks like a big mess. I've been looking for something to get our new baby to be, and I think I might get this. It says 2019 on the sleeve, and it's got this little hood on the back that says Walt Disney World, and it's embroidered. It's really beautiful. They only have newborn size, but that might be just perfect to have out and await the baby's arrival. I'm so excited. I'm crying. Oh, thank you. We got Jackson a cake pop and you said you would share. Yum. I literally did not know they still had the Frontierland Shooting Arcade. That was so fun. We used to do that when I was little. We don't often walk all the way back through Frontierland, and it's kind of nice. This is a nice wide open spot. We don't really ever do anything over here. I've never seen the Country Bear Jamboree. That's something we'll have to leave on the list. Liver Lips is out here meeting and greeting some kids. He's so funny. It would be a nice day for Splash Mountain. It is hot here. The spirit of adventure. Oh wait, wrong ride. So we have a fast pass for Pirates, but this is the fast pass line, so Justin just went to go see what's going on. If it's down, we'll probably just head out. Here he comes. Look at how handsome. What'd they say?
It's working.
They just gave out a lot of fast passes today?
Yeah. So it's probably about an hour.
An hour? Well, I think we're gonna mosey on out of here. That's our cue to go. We're not waiting an hour in the fast pass line for Pirates of the Caribbean. We might come back later tonight because we don't have really any plans. And we'll see you wherever we end up for lunch. On our way out, I decided to grab a citrus swirl. It is delicious. I got the float because I thought it'd be easier to eat while we're walking, and it is really, really good. I don't know if I like it better than the Dole Whip because it's not, the orange part's not as creamy, but the vanilla part and the orange part mixed together is nice and creamy.
There's no pineapple in it at all?
This is orange and vanilla soft serve mixed. It's a citrus swirl.
That's a poor idea.
But I decided against getting the Mickey popcorn bucket, the like the Mickey one, the red one with the black on top, because I think I'll get it home and I won't want it. So I decided to get this instead. This is my treat for the day.
Keep on Oscar dancing. What a party. I just might be the luckiest mouse in the world. Thanks for coming.
I hope you all have a
Hi, Max.
rest of your day.
We decided to come over to Jumbo House to have lunch. There we go. Look at how beautiful and grand it is here. Just a stunning lobby. We came to the Mara at Jumbo House, and these are the things that they offer. Some normal stuff and some Mediterranean stuff. That flatbread looks really good, doesn't it? So this is the Mara, pretty basic, but serviceable. It's down outside of the pool on the lower level at Jumbo House near Lake Out Past where Chico is. And this is what we got. The food actually looks really nice. I got the falafel platter with some nice salads on the side there. Jackson got a pepperoni pizza, surprise, surprise. And Justin got the Mara salad, which looks really nice.
You want to see if the other one sounds different? Keep it where it is.
Sounds different.
It does sound different. A little lobby time. Alright, Jackie, so where are we going?
That way.
We are leaving the lobby down this path to the pool. Oh wow. So it looks like there's a little kids area. You want to go through the sprinklers? Alright, well give me the book.
Actually, I don't want to go to the sprinklers.
Okay, you don't have to. You don't really like getting wet. Alright, let's go get a life jacket on you. It looks like here's a little kids play area. Little splash pad. Which is super nice and empty on a super hot day, which I'll take this over a busy pool any day. Alright, let's see what else there is, Jackie. Even more splash pad stuff.
I don't want that.
Yeah, if you want to, you can go in there. Ah! There's hidden sprinklers in there that might get our camera wet. That would make Mommy very cross. There's a continuation of the splash pad into the playground area, which looks super fun. Looks like the kids are having a good time. And Jackson just wants to climb all over here. He said he didn't want to go in the pool. So we'll let him play this. We had a nice little hour and a half down here. It flew by. He had a great time over here in the splash pad. Tons of kids to play with, and He paired off with a 7-year-old girl from North Haven, Connecticut, which is where Katie's from. And I didn't really show you the pool, so we'll take a second for this. It is 0 entry at this part right here. There are 2 slides, a little kids one, but it's actually a pretty good little kids one. And then the much bigger one. And back over here, there's a pool bar that seemed to be dishing up some pretty good drinks, but I didn't. He likes putting his towel away, which is good. You put things back where you belong. And you put your life jacket away all by yourself too, didn't you?
Yeah, we were playing Thomas like this my choo-choo.
That's right. And then this is the pool bar, which is pretty good. So nice small pool, not too busy. So it's time for homecoming and maybe some bowling if we have time. We'll see.
It's okay. I'm right now.
So it's evening time. So there's some feeding going on and a little bit of rain, which I think has stirred these animals awake, including the giraffe right here. I'll walk to her room. It's pretty neat. Fun to see him actually moving around. Oh, didn't even see that zebra.
Hello, welcome back. I had a glorious sleep. Justin and Jackson went to the pool, so I hope you got to see some of that. And they said they saw a giraffe, so that was exciting. And they said the pool was fabulous. I wish that I had enough energy to go, but I was so much better off taking a nap. Yesterday, when I didn't rest at that time, I was just beyond. Like, I felt sick. I was so tired. And I know, especially when you're pregnant, it's important to stop and rest when you feel like you need to. So I feel amazing. And now we're headed to Disney Springs to go to Homecomin, one of our favorite restaurants, probably our favorite restaurant at Disney Springs. It's wonderful. And then if there's time and space, we are going to head over to Splitsville. So here we go. Just having a lovely stroll through Disney Springs and wondering what this is. We think it's STK. We have not eaten here as of yet, but it'll be on the list. Oh,
I ate there.
Justin has. I forgot. For work.
That was for work.
I know, I'm just kidding.
It was for work.
Oh,
It was
yeah,
really
STK. It was really expensive. And this is where we're going. Dining by the Springs with the chicken. Justin wants to know how he can get into the Forbidden Lounge. Leave me a comment down below if you know. Very curious. It's a side entrance? Is
Yeah,
there?
it's a secret
What's
door.
special about it?
I think it's like a VIP, like omakase.
Oh, VIP omakase experience, the Forbidden Lounge. I never noticed her before. What? Sunday brunch. Wow, I wonder if that's cheaper than California Grill. We should try that. We got a beautiful table outside. We asked for outside and it's so pleasant. And we got the deviled egg. Well, Justin ordered these, but I'm gonna have one. We got the deviled eggs.
Sorry about that.
Oh, that's okay. Jackson's having a good time drawing his name. And we're just hanging out. It's nice pace. Take a slower pace here at Homecomin.
Okay, our entrees came. I got the grouper, which, excuse me, which looks pretty boring and healthy, but it's kind of the point. I wanted to eat a little lighter tonight, and I know I was going to be getting, I knew I was going to be getting into some of this.
He's splitting this with me. The fried chicken, drop biscuit, and I ordered slaw instead of the mashed potatoes, because mashed potatoes sounded really gross to me right now. But this looks amazing.
Her being healthy with coleslaw. You're going to do it right.
I just didn't want potatoes. This is the new world of Disney, and it looks so different. It looks awesome. I love how wide open it is. Oh my God. I'm probably not gonna film very much, guys, because you know me, I like to concentrate while I'm shopping. Oh, there's a couple of St. Patrick's Day specific items because that's the next holiday coming up. It's pretty cool. And all the 2019 stuff, which is what I'm looking for. I did buy that little onesie, but I got it in a 6-month size because that's all they had, and I'd prefer having it in a 3-month size. The newborn size looked too small, but I might be out of luck here. So real quick, if you find something that you want like that and it's not necessarily like the perfect size, you can always just buy it and then you can return it, exchange it. Probably return it too, but definitely exchange it at any store in Walt Disney World. So I'm just gonna keep it with me. It's really small, and keep looking for the next couple days to see if I can find the better size and then exchange it. Look at the ears display. I love this. And the hats display. And there's also like magic murals around somewhere. I think they're behind the cash register. But they really changed this. Oh, look at this Monsters University Spirit jersey. How cute. Now they have Spirit jerseys with hoods. What? This is kind of like, yeah, basically a Spirit jersey with a hood. Interesting. Oh my God, look at all the box sets. Look at this. We don't know the gender of the baby, so you can't really buy any of these. I guess maybe you could get the Haunted Mansion one. I saw this one at the Big Top and I love it so much. But not quite ready for that stuff yet. Just gonna get one thing that's gender neutral, but look at this one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. It's gonna go down. This baby is gonna have a lot of stuff. Looking at this stuff seriously makes me get teary-eyed. Anybody else feel that way? Like I can't even. I can't. Oh my gosh. Guess where? We couldn't leave Disney Springs without the Lego store. He said, Mom and Dad, can we please go to the Lego store just to play? I won't ask for anything. Now he's driving this little robot car. Whoa. Good job. We just played for about 20 minutes. And now I think he'll be happy and go to bed. So happy. We popped into the ganachery for a bit of a sweet treat. A little bit of a sweet treat. I just want a couple of chocolates. Look how cute these are though. Yeah, you can get something, baby.
I always see what I want.
You already see what you want? What do you want? These? What are these? Little chocolate pearls? Okay. So this is the treat I'm choosing tonight. Instead of a cupcake, instead of ice cream, instead of gelato, I thought I'd just get a couple of chocolates. Oh, look how cute they all are. I don't know which ones I'm gonna choose.
Put the baby in my car seat, my travel car seat on the plane.
When the baby's a little older or when the baby's real little?
Real little.
Okay, and where would we go with the little baby?
To Disney World.
You want to take the baby when the baby's really little to Disney World?
Yep.
Do you like going to Disney World so much that you don't want to miss a trip?
Yep. Yeah, so that was my idea on the plane.
Right in your travel car seat. We'll just put the baby right in there, huh?
I could sit in this car seat when we're at Disney World, and the baby could sit in another car seat in the airplane, Mama. That's my idea.
Okay, so the baby can have their own car seat? Problem solved.
Baby for going to Disney World with us.
Yeah, we don't even want to miss any time, not even 6 months for the baby to not be able to go to Disney World, huh?
So, someone can't.
Gotta get that baby to Disney World.
The baby when it's super little.
So we'll have someone babysit the baby when it's super little, and we'll just go to Disney World without our new baby?
Yep.
I don't think that works. The baby needs their mom.
So you can stay home and me and Dad will go to Disney World.
Now we're talking.
Maybe.
Okay, Mama. That's
Maybe
my
we'll
plan.
get Grandma Karen to go.
We get Grandma Karen to go here.
Can you guys just wait like 6 months for mommy so the baby and mommy can go?
I guess.
No response back there.
What's all this commit? Me and Daddy will go to here, and then you could and the baby can stay home.
Oh, okay. Well, thanks. Well, it's 9:30 and I've had a nap today and I am still so tired. Like my eyes are watering. I can't even stay awake anymore. So we're just gonna get to the hotel and go right to bed. So I'm gonna end the vlog here tonight and we'll see you tomorrow at Animal Kingdom.
Can I talk to the camera? I have lots of energy.
Oh, of course.
We went on Dumbo.
Yeah.
And we zoom all around.
And what else did we ride? Do you remember?
Wait, it's a small world after all.
Yeah. So what was your
And we
favorite
went on Small World before dinner.
What was your favorite part of the day?
I'm going on Dumbo, and it's a small world after all.
Oh.
Did you have
That
fun
was a
in the
good day.
splash pad?
Yep, and in the pool, and I had fun in the water park at our house.
Good night. We'll see you tomorrow.
Good night. We'll see you, and we're gonna end the vlog now.
Good night.
Good night.